Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Mircom MS703U conventional emergency manual single action pull station is what this is. Okay, key resettable, blue, single action. I'm not going to pull it because there's a brake rod installed in there. I'm going to give you the exterior dimensional properties. 3.5 in the height, in the width, about 4 7/8 in the height. It's the depth of the body, about 7/8, all the way to the back of the switch. Looks like it's about 2 1/8. This is going to include two keys. Okay. This is going to include one additional brake rod. This will include the 4 machine screws you need for attaching it to the gang box. It will include installation instructions, which are below this video as well. Let's open this up and take a look. Okay, so there's your plate. You can see where your access goes for your holes. Here is your cam lock operation. There is your installed brake rod. That's there. Okay. Pulling that down obviously would break the brake rod. You'll have one installed, you'll have one additional brake rod, as I said earlier. Single action, key resettable, terminal connectors, gold plated, single pole, high gloss enamel, blue paint, normally open or normally closed contacts, and that's defined on the installation instructions, which we'll go over in a moment. Meets ADA compliance for 5 pounds of maximum force. Now, before we get to the installation instructions, let's take a look at the data sheet. It's handy. It's a product brochure. It's a cut sheet, really, of the catalog, which happens to also include the installation or the wiring instructions. Not really much of an installation instruction. Mircom's series of MS700 emergency manual stations are high quality and die cast. Weighs 1.3 pounds, by the way. Designed to meet special use requirements. These are designed for interior or exterior use. The emergency manual stations consist of 2 models, the 703 and the 704, which are both single action. The 703U and the 704U, I should say. The 703 is blue and the 704U is a yellow enamel. Both models are available with key resets, Cat 30 lock and key. Single pole double throw contacts and terminal strip connections are also available. Contacts are gold plated to avoid the risk of corrosion and get mounted down to a single gang box. Operation: simply pull. That's all there is to it. The MS700U series emergency manual stations are reset by opening the station with the key, placing the handle in the normal upright position, and relocking the station is how that's simply done. Okay. That's a very easy sort of reset. Obviously, you'll be replacing the brake rod at that time, and that replacing it back into its standard position resets that plunger switch that's there. That's how it works. Page 2 is the wiring diagram showing you how to wire it based on your normally open or normally closed configuration. There's also that link to the installation manual, and it's the same wiring diagram certainly, but gives you the different part numbers as the color changes, okay, and as the action, single or dual action change. 703 becomes a 713 if you need a dual action sort of unit. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Mircom products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, which is handy, where you can review all things Mircom fire safety hardware related. If you have any questions on the Mircom's MS703U blue emergency single action pull station or any other Mircom product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.